In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in HubSpot. If you manage a growing database, duplicates happen. Merging keeps your records clean, your reporting accurate, and your team aligned without losing any important activity history. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot into the search bar. From the results, click the official HubSpot website. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account. If you have access to multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct portal before continuing so that you don't merge records in the wrong place. After you're logged in, look to the main left-hand sidebar and locate the CRM area. That's where your core records live. Click into Contacts to open your full contact list. This list is your hub for finding the records you want to work with. If you already know which duplicates you need to combine, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly pull up candidates and compare them. Next, click into the contact you want to use as your starting point. Think of this as the primary record, the one you expect to keep after the merge. Using the correct starting record helps ensure the right properties and timeline remain front and center when everything is combined. Inside the contact record, look to the top of the screen for the Actions menu. Click Actions, then choose Merge. A Merge panel will appear, prompting you to select the other contact that should be combined with the one you're viewing. Begin typing the name or email of the duplicate contact, and HubSpot will suggest matches from your database. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the exact record you want. Matching by email is especially reliable. Click the duplicate contact you intend to merge. You'll see a confirmation view summarizing what's about to happen. As a helpful note, the record you started on remains the primary record after the merge. HubSpot combines timelines and associations, and it keeps the most relevant property values. This means emails, calls, notes, and deals tied to either record are consolidated onto one clean profile. When you're confident you've selected the correct record, click Merge to finalize. The process may take a short moment, especially if there's a lot of activity to consolidate. Merges are designed to be permanent to protect data integrity, so double-check your selection before confirming. After the merge completes, you'll land on the unified contact. Give it a quick review to ensure key details look right, then you're ready to move on with a cleaner, more accurate CRM.